Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mauco Enterprises. Did you know that 94% of Twitter users are interested in current events and 55% get their news updates from the platform? That's a huge audience. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic: how to use Twitter to skyrocket your search engine rankings. Twitter isn't just for sharing thoughts and memes. It's also a powerful tool for boosting your SEO. Let's break down how you can leverage Twitter to get your website noticed by search engines. First things first, optimize your Twitter profile. Use a keyword-rich bio, a professional profile photo, and a relevant header image. Don't forget to include a direct link to your website. Consistency is key. Tweet regularly and share relevant content. This keeps your profile active and helps search engines recognize your brand. Hashtags are your best friend. Use industry-specific hashtags to reach your target audience and increase discoverability. Engagement matters. Reply to comments, retweet valuable content, and interact with your followers. This boosts your visibility and search engine ranking. Share links to your website and other valuable resources. Quality backlinks from Twitter can improve your SEO performance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can use Twitter to boost your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.